Welcome back. Now when you get ready to edit your audio, you can use the free downloadable program Audacity, and you can edit both MP4s, M4As, WAV files, and MP3 files into the final MP3 file that you will be uploading into Udemy. What you'll want to do is you'll want to go to the download section, take the version that's suitable for your system, and then you can install Audacity. Once you have Audacity open, you'll go to the file command. You will then import the audio from the location on your hard drive where you have it. You can also import the same media or audio into your video editor. In this case, we are looking at Camtasia Studio, but the same is true for most video editors. And when you import the WAV file into Camtasia, what you'll want to do is you'll want to pull it down to the timeline. In most cases, you will not have a problem with the background noise, but if you do, you'll want to do whatever noise reduction that you're going to do simply by going to the timeline, going to audio, and then clicking noise removal with a piece of silence on the actual timeline. You'll want to cut out what isn't necessary, and then what you're going to do is you're going to reproduce a new audio as an MP3 file. Now in some cases, if you use GoToWebinar or one of the other webinar systems to actually record the audio, you'll end up getting an MP4, which is a video file. And so you'll want to import that file into Camtasia. Once you have the file, then you are going to bring it to the timeline. Now, you are then going to want to, inside of your video editor, separate the video and the audio. Typically, that is a right click, and you'll find it in the drop-down menu. Sometimes you'll find it in the overhead menu, depending on which one you're using. So once you separate the video and the audio, you'll then have two tracks. You have the video track and the audio track. You'll want to delete from the timeline the video track. Once you have the audio track, you'll then want to do any noise removal that you're going to do. You'll want to cut out any extraneous sound. And then you're ready to then reproduce this file as an MP3 file. Now, later versions of Camtasia Studio, you will not be able to produce an MP3 from the actual program. You will need to produce an M4A file and then change that M4A file into an MP3 file using Audacity. And once you have re-rendered your audio, you are then ready to use it in your Udemy course. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in another video.